a chromatic scale, and a chromatic scale is a scale that moves up in semitones. So you catch all the 12 notes in an octave. Notice they're using flats to go down and sharps to go up. Now let's have a listen to what a chromatic scale actually sounds like on the flute and on the guitar. On the guitar, I want you to be able to see that you move up one fret. One fret equals a semitone.
Help! Falling to home.
Let's have a look at where we need a note in between to describe all the notes going from C to C. Here's the bass clef. So between C and D, there's another note, and we can call it a C sharp. So let's put that in there. We'll give it a closed note head. So there's a C sharp. So C, C sharp and D. And in between D and E, there's also two steps, two semitones in between D and E. So let's put that in. D sharp. Now between E and F, there's only a semitone there. Between F and G, there's a semitone hiding away in there. So let's give that. Hang on a sec. So there you've got an F sharp. And there's a whole tone here as well. So there's another note hiding in between. So we'll give a G sharp. This is all delightfully messy. G sharp, and then we've got A, and there's also another note hiding in between A and B, so we need to put that in as well. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's our 12 notes expressed going up. So normally you would use sharps to go up and flats to go down.